How to purchase and activate Freedom Mobile eSIM. The first things first is pull up your any preferred web browser that you want to use. For you to be able to get here, just simply go to your search bar and then just simply type in Freedom Mobile. Then here, all you have to do is just simply choose on the first result that's going to be taking you out or will be redirected you to Freedom Mobile's official site. Now, if you haven't purchased any yet, these are going to be your options and make sure that you have your ID ready for you to be able to purchase a SIM. Now, once you have successfully purchased a SIM card, now hover your mouse to mobile, click on mobile, and then go to SIM activation. You will now then be redirected to the page in which you'll have to input your eSIM or your SIM numbers information and as well as your Freedom phone number. Now just fill this out, and these are also the instruction and where you can find your SIM number and as well as your Freedom phone number. Just enter it here and go with activate service. So again, that's how you purchase and activate Freedom eSIM.